Service Cockpit goes beyond gas detection technology products.
For the customer, this means less admin work.
What makes this project special is that we don't see ourselves as just a supplier, but as a true partner to the customer.
And that's what I call safe partnership, safe business.
Der Kunde ist in Oberbayern.
The customer is based in Upper Bavaria and operates in the pharmaceutical sector, with both development and production facilities on site. They have approximately 200 gas warning systems equipped with 800 sensors, along with 200 portable devices. Dräger Service inspects these systems 3 times a year in accordance with the applicable T021, T023 regulations. That adds up to around 1,200 emails per year, each containing the relevant inspection reports. Naturally, the customer approached us and asked whether there might be a more efficient way to handle this process. The first thing I did was reach out to our service manager and my team leader. From there, the project developed rapidly.
Our tool is called Service Cockpit. Our development team created this software solution in an impressively short amount of time. The pilot phase was implemented swiftly and soon transitioned into the live system. The customer was highly satisfied and now uses the solution on their mobile devices, giving them real-time access to their systems anytime, anywhere.
For the customer, this translates into significantly less administrative effort. They no longer need to manually sort and compile hundreds of inspection reports.
Service Cockpit goes far beyond traditional gas detection technology. It now offers a truly digital solution that allows customers to view the maintenance status of their entire system at any time. No longer limited to individual devices, they can access a comprehensive dashboard that provides a clear real-time overview at a glance. Service Cockpit is of interest to all our customers who operate stationary or mobile gas warning systems.
From this, I've learned that anyone can offer products and some can deliver services, but combining both and wrapping it all up with clear documentation as a complete package for the customer, that's something only a few can do. Not many can deliver that. And this is exactly where we've hit the nail on the head.
In short, the customer has gained valuable time and they're happy. What truly sets this project apart is that we don't see ourselves as just a supplier. We see ourselves as a genuine partner, taking a deep dive into the customer's needs and working closely with them to develop the right solution.
During my last conversation with the customer, they shared the following feedback with me. When I talk to other suppliers about service, I use Dräger as a benchmark. And I have to say, that made me genuinely proud.
Auch ein Stück stolz gemacht, muss ich sagen.